Statistics is tricky because we do not have a one stop solution for all the different problems. Our approach and technique changes based on the problem that we are trying to solve. Today, let us find out the different categories of statistics. There are four types of statistical methods: descriptive, inferential, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive statistics help us summarize and describe the data to see what is happening within the company. In a retail clothing company, descriptive statistics are used to analyze monthly sales data from all store locations. We calculate the total sales, average sales per store, and distribution of sales across different product lines like men's, women's, and children's clothing. Descriptive statistics also help identify top performing stores as well as seasonal trends like which item sells best during winter or summer. This information gives the company a snapshot of its past performance. While descriptive statistics shows us what has already happened, inferential statistics help us create generalizations based on the sample. Let us say our retail company wants to understand customers' willingness to buy clothes from a specific designer. For this, we need to collect fashion preference from all customers visiting the different retail stores. However, it is impractical to survey every customer as there are hundreds of people visiting the stores daily. Instead, we survey a sample of customers at each store and use inferential statistics to estimate overall interest in a design across the entire chain. With inferential statistics, the company can use sample data to draw conclusions about its customer base as a whole, saving time and resources. Now, let us talk about predictive statistics. Predictive statistics uses historical data to forecast the future outcomes. It helps businesses in preparing for what is likely to happen next. In our retail scenario, predictive statistics could help forecast future demand for products. By analyzing past sales data, the company can predict which items are likely to be popular in the upcoming season. They could also predict customer purchasing patterns, like which styles are likely to trend next spring. This enables the retail team to stock the right products and ensure the inventory meets customer demand. Predictive statistics also allows the company to make data-driven predictions, reducing the risk of stockouts and overstocking. Finally, prescriptive statistics. This advanced type of statistics not only predicts the future outcomes but also recommends suitable actions to be taken in response. Suppose our retail company wants to optimize its pricing and promotional strategy to maximize sales. Prescriptive statistics analyze data on customer purchasing behavior, competitor pricing, and seasonal demand. The analysis then recommends the most effective promotion for different customer segments and suggests best pricing for key products. For instance, it might recommend discounting winter items in February to clear out inventory and make room for spring items. With prescriptive statistics, the company gains actionable insights that can help it improve revenue, inventory, and customer satisfaction. So, there we have it, the four different types of statistics. Descriptive statistics to help us understand the past sales and product trends, inferential statistics to evaluate the overall interest based on a sample customer set, predictive statistics to forecast the upcoming demand, and prescriptive statistics that help us create the right marketing and pricing strategy. All the different types of statistics empower the retail company take informed and data driven decisions. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Also check out our other videos on how technology can help transform businesses. Till then, let us accelerate to the future.